Let's look at how to verify your eligibility for school readiness. First, log in. Next, hit continue, scroll all the way down, and click verify eligibility. We're now in the wizard. Hit start. Hit next. Now, we will be going into each section individually to upload the documents that we need to upload. So, for each section, we'll hit no, and then we can upload a document. For proof of residency, we can upload anything such as a current pay stub, a utility bill, a lease agreement including the signature page, a government-issued document, a military order, or an affidavit of residency as long as it's notarized. Here you'll see I'll be uploading a utility bill. With that, we can hit save, yes, and it'll take us to the next page. No to update our information again. We're uploading proof of age and proof of U.S. citizenship. I'm using a birth certificate, but you can also use a certificate of U.S. citizenship or a passport. Remember, we can't take social security cards. Next up is the parent info. We'll click yes or no on the disability question, and then we need to upload a proof of identity. This could be either a valid picture identification or just a regular driver's license. As you can see here, I'm using a photo ID. If you have any other household members you'd like to add, you can add them here. We don't have a CCAA, so we can go ahead and hit yes. Hit next. And then we'll be uploading our job info. We'll put our employer's phone number, we'll make sure that all of the info is correct, check the days that you work, and then upload your proof of employment. For proof of employment, you can upload a month's worth of pay stubs, a verification of employment form, or a self-employment form. As you can see, I'm uploading 4 weekly pay stubs to show 1 full month of pay. Now, I don't have any school information, but if I did, I could put an official school schedule or a school verification form. If I had any other income, I would put it here, such as Social Security benefits, reemployment assistance, food stamp award letters, workers' compensation, veteran benefits, or housing assistance. Next, if you receive alimony or child support, you can put that here. When you're done, you can click yes, and then if you do not receive alimony or child support, you will click yes and save. Here's where we'll make our provider choice. If you know your provider, you can type it into the search bar and find it. If not, click I need help finding a provider. If you have any other documents that you weren't sure where to upload, you can upload them here under Additional Documents. We'll be sure to take a look. Now, verify that everything is correct, and hit yes. Check the box and sign your full name. And then submit. You're done. You can click the door to leave, and we'll reach out to you within 10 business days.